Top signs your septic solids aren't dissolving properly. A septic tank relies on natural bacteria to break down solid waste. When solids do not dissolve properly, the system can become overloaded and cause expensive problems. Knowing the warning signs early can help you avoid repairs and keep your septic system working efficiently. Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Here are the top signs your septic solids aren't dissolving properly and what they may mean for your septic tank. 1. Slow drains throughout the house. If sinks, showers, and bathtubs drain slowly, your septic tank may be struggling to process waste. A buildup of solids can reduce the tank's capacity and affect water flow. 2. Frequent toilet problems. Toilets that flush slowly or clog often may indicate excessive solid accumulation inside the septic tank. If the issue occurs repeatedly, the septic system should be inspected. 3. Bad odors around the tank. A healthy septic system should not produce strong smells. Foul odors near the septic tank, drain field, or even inside the home can be a sign that solids are not breaking down properly. 4. Sewage backing up. One of the most serious warning signs is wastewater backing up into sinks, tubs, or toilets. This often happens when solid waste fills too much of the tank and blocks normal flow. 5. Standing water near the drain field. Puddles or wet areas around the drain field may indicate that the septic system is overloaded. Excess solids can prevent wastewater from filtering properly into the soil. 6. Extra green grass over the septic area. Grass that appears greener or grows faster than the surrounding lawn can be a sign of wastewater leaking from the system due to excessive solid buildup. 7. More frequent pumping needs. If your septic tank requires pumping more often than usual, it could mean that solids are not decomposing effectively. This can reduce the system's overall efficiency. How to prevent solid buildup? 1. Use a quality septic tank treatment regularly. 2. Avoid flushing wipes, paper towels, and other non-biodegradable items. 3. Limit harsh chemicals that can kill beneficial bacteria. 4. Schedule routine septic inspections and pumping. 5. Conserve water to reduce strain on the system. Understanding the top signs your septic solids aren't dissolving properly can help you identify septic problems before they become costly. Slow drains, bad odors, sewage backups, and standing water are all signs that your septic system may need attention. Regular maintenance and proper septic tank treatment can help keep solids breaking down efficiently and extend the life of your system. Worried about your septic tank? Do you want to learn about how to fix all your septic tank issues and save a small fortune every year by using Septifix? Click the link below in the description to learn more. Thanks for watching.